This video will cover tactical containment strategies for defeating botrytis, or gray mold, in high-density crops. We'll analyze environmental and pathogen data to establish an effective mitigation protocol. Structural collapse happens before you see the threat. A compromised bud can look slightly darker or soft, and then suddenly collapse, indicating critical biological threat and immediate spore dispersal. This is botrytis. Botrytis incubates deep within the humid core of the plant canopy, where visual inspection is impossible. By the time the gray mold is visible on the exterior, internal necrosis is already severe and spreading. The pathogen requires a highly specific environmental intersection: high humidity, poor airflow, and dense plant structures. Break any single parameter, and you disrupt the fungal life cycle. Allow all three, and infection is inevitable. Identify the infection parameters before it compromises the entire room. Threat levels range from structural compromise to active spore release. If you see one infected area, assume spores are already spreading. Traditional chemical interventions create liabilities. They often fail to penetrate deep, leave heavy residue, are unsafe for late-stage flowering, and cause biological stress. Growers are trapped between losing the crop to mold or ruining it with chemical contamination. Hypochlorous acid, HOCl, establishes a new zero-compromise standard. Compared to traditional fungicides, HOCl-based sprays are 100% safe through harvest, leave zero residue, break down pathogens effectively, and are gentle on plants. HOCl targets pathogen cell walls, penetrates, and dissipates into harmless elements like water and chlorine ions, leaving no residue. HOCl radically reduces mold and bacteria loads and can be applied regularly without harming plants. Total crop protection requires the intersection of environmental control and microbial eradication. You cannot spray away a bad environment. True prevention is a dual-vector approach focusing on airflow, humidity, and regular non-toxic sanitation. Execute this 5-step standard operating procedure upon detection. Excise affected buds, quarantine the infected plant, ventilate immediately, sanitize all tools and surfaces, and finally, eradicate with a plant-safe zero-residue spray. Secure your harvest with advanced, residue-free pathogen control with Grower's Choice PlantGuard 420. This is the smarter, cleaner approach to managing mold and bacteria. Clean plants safely, sanitize tools, and drastically reduce overall contamination risk. Stop bud rot without compromising your cultivation standards. You don't need harsh chemicals or to risk your crop. Upgrade your containment protocol with Grower's Choice PlantGuard 420, a proven solutions.